Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Always test your test equipment. You may have heard that before, but let me show you why. Here I have my multimeter and I'm about to check for three-phase in a control panel. Okay, I'm checking from phase to phase, live 1 to live 3. According to my multimeter, there's only about 7 volts. There's nothing there. Looks fairly safe to work on. Let's see what my volt stick thinks. My volt stick thinks that there's power there and it's not safe to work on. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try a continuity test. Alright, I've got the leads pressed together. Not getting anything. These are the leads that came with my multimeter. Now I've swapped the leads over to some leads I had with another multimeter. Always ensure that they're the right voltage. These say that they can work up to 1000 volts and they are 20 amp. The other ones I had were 10 amp, 1000 volts. When doing the bleep test and checking for continuity, you can see some resistance there. It's making contact. You can even hear it making a noise. It was picking up the phases. Now I'm going to also plug in some new leads that I bought yesterday. Phase to phase. 401 volts. I'm going to be using my new leads. The other leads that I used to use in my other multimeter were fine, but I'm going to use these as I believe they're better and fit for purpose for the job I'm carrying out. It's picking up the connection. So I hope that's helped you to realize the importance of testing your test equipment and also using a volt stick as a backup as well. So just as a double check, because say for instance on that particular instant when I have just finished testing my test equipment, the wire pops out slightly, the cable, or should I say the lead pops out slightly and is making a good connection, and then I decide to test something. At least I have a little backup with my volt stick to double check, and then I will see that there's power there. So look after your cables. Try not to leave them dangled up or thrown in your bag. Put the bag within a bag. Okay, until next time. Bye.